If you're waking up feeling tight, sluggish, or stiff from sleeping, this routine will loosen up everything, helping you start your day feeling fresh, mobile, and ready to take on anything. Today, we're diving into a 5-minute morning energizer sequence, a powerful way to wake up your body, shake off stiffness, and boost your energy before you even sip your coffee. No equipment needed, just you, your mat, and a commitment to feeling good. You can do it anywhere, your bedroom, your living room, or even outdoors for an extra energy boost. We'll begin with a deep hamstring release, move into hip and spine mobility, and finish by releasing neck and shoulder tension. Most people rush into their day without taking a moment to prepare their body, but not you. You've shown up, and that's a win. By the end of this routine, I promise you'll feel looser, lighter, and ready to move with confidence. Let's hit the mat. We're kicking things off with a standing forward fold because nothing wakes up the body like a full body stretch that melts away tension. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and your arms relaxed by your sides. Inhale to lengthen your spine, then exhale as you hinge at the hips, folding forward and letting your upper body hang heavy. Reach for your shins, ankles, or floor, whatever feels comfortable. Relax your head and neck and breathe deeply into the back of your legs. This stretch loosens up your hamstrings, decompresses your spine, and improves circulation. I promise, by the end, you'll feel lighter and more awake. Beginners can keep a slight bend in their knees to avoid strain. Advanced stretches, try grabbing your ankles and gently pulling your torso deeper into the stretch. Now that we've released the hamstrings, let's add some spinal rotation with wide stance toe touches. If your back and hamstrings feel stiff in the morning, this stretch will wake up everything. Step your feet wider than hip-width apart, keeping your knees soft. Hinge at your hips, reaching your right hand towards your left foot, extending your left arm toward the sky. Return to center, then switch sides, reaching your left hand towards your right foot. Keep alternating for 1 minute, moving smoothly and controlled. This stretch improves spinal mobility, increases hamstring flexibility, and enhances balance. I promise, by the end, you'll feel longer, looser, and more energized. Beginners, keep a slight bend in your knees to reduce tension in your hamstrings. Advanced stretches, hold each side for a few extra breaths to deepen the stretch. Now that your spine and hamstrings are activated, let's unlock the hips with a deep frog squat. Your hips are about to feel brand new. If you've been sitting too much, this is exactly what your body needs. Stand with your feet slightly wider than hip-width apart, toes turned outward. Drop into a deep squat, bringing your elbows inside your knees. Press your palms together and gently push your knees outward with your elbows. Keep your chest lifted and hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. This stretch opens up your hips, strengthens your legs, and relieves lower body tension. By the end, I promise you'll feel more grounded and mobile. For beginners, hold onto a wall or chair for support. Advanced stretches, gently rock side to side to deepen the stretch. Now that the hips and hamstrings are open, let's add some spinal mobility with a low lunge twist. If your hips or lower back feel tight or stuck, this stretch is the unlock button you've been looking for. Step your right foot forward into low lunge, keeping your left knee on the mat. Place your left hand on the ground for support, and inhale as you reach your right arm toward the sky. Twist your torso open, keeping your gaze on your top hand or looking forward. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch increases spinal mobility, opens the chest, and improves hip flexibility. By the end, I promise you feel more mobile and balanced. Beginners, keep your twist shallow and only rotate as far as comfortable. If you need more of a challenge, lift your back knee off the mat for a more dynamic stretch. Now that we've unlocked the spine and hips, let's release your upper body with neck rolls. Do you ever wake up with a stiff neck? If the answer is yes, this will erase that tension in seconds. Sit or stand tall, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Drop your chin toward your chest, then slowly roll your head to the right, bringing your ear toward your shoulder. Continue the circle, rolling your head back, then to the left. Move slowly and smoothly. Repeat for 30 seconds in one direction, then switching. This stretch relieves tension in the neck and shoulders, improves posture, and reduces stress. I promise by the end, you'll feel lighter and more relaxed. Beginners, keep the movement slow and small. Advanced stretches, hold each position for an extra breath to deepen the stretch. If you want to keep this energy going, get rid of nagging stiffness, and take control of your movement, go check out the free gift I have for you in the description. You won't want to miss out. And fam, always stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.